How to fix all Windows Media Player error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix all Windows Media Player error. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your settings. After you've opened up your settings, on the left hand side, head over to System. After you locate System, scroll down. There, you can see Optional Features. Head over to Optional Features. And right here, you can simply head over and find your Windows features. So you can see your feature history or you can view features from here. Select yes there, and right here you can search for Windows Media Player. So here you can see Windows Media Player Legacy app. Select that and then tap on remove. After you've removed this, you can as you can see, it's removing. After this gets removed, you can just simply add it back again. So let it be removed. So here it says, please wait for operation to complete before closing. So after you remove that, you can then add this feature back again. So there you can see it's been removed. Now what we'll do is we will add the feature back again. So let's search for that here. So if we search for it now, it should not be here anymore. So there you can see it's not there. Now what we can do is we can tap on view features again. And from here, there should be an option. Tap on see available features. And from here, search for Windows Media Player. There you can see, select that and tap on add. And it should start getting added back again. So let it do its thing. Let it get added. And after this gets added, all your media player related problems and errors will just go away. So yeah, just let it get finished and that's basically it. And yeah, that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.